This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in a convenient location in the South Loop, on the rooftop terrace at 1001 South State, panning from the south to the east over Grant Park and the museum campus, and heading north toward a panoramic view of the Loop skyline from Navy Pier and Lake Michigan, out west toward the Willis Tower and the West Loop. The building's angled orientation serves up great views from the apartments, and I'm headed downstairs for a walk through one of them. I'm in apartment 3907, a southwest corner, one bedroom, looking out to the east toward the museum campus, McCormick Place, Hyde Park End. On a clear day, you can see the northern shore of Indiana. Turning toward the southwest, a sweeping panoramic view from this corner apartment, and a dramatic view out toward the skyline of the Willis Tower and the West Loop, looking over Dearborn Park. High ceilings, stretching up probably above 10 feet. Lawn plank flooring throughout the apartment. Spacious living dining area. Roller shades on all the floor-to-ceiling windows. Breakfast bar peninsula that can seat four. Designer pendant lighting up above it. Marble veined white tile countertop. Undermount stainless steel sink has a gooseneck faucet with a spray attachment. There's a 5-burner range, ice maker in the refrigerator, built-in microwave and dishwasher, light brushed look cabinets, all soft close. What a great room. Going back toward where you would have entered the apartment. A coat closet with custom organizers. In-unit washer dryer away from the main living and sleeping areas. And then just beyond that is the bath, a wide vanity, quartz counter, bank of drawers for storage, a triple mirrored medicine cabinet above the vanity, frameless glass door on the wide walk-in shower. Bedroom. Space for your queen-size bed, additional furniture. That great view out to the northwest. Going to be able to watch Chicago's dazzling sunsets. And the closet has custom organizers. 1001 South State has an attractive location, wide variety of apartments, all with upscale finishes, a fun, innovative, extensive suite of amenities. Definitely want to put 1001 South State high on your must-see list. Head to 1001's website to see more floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.